Hi y'all, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and today we're going to be creating a very easy, actually it took me about 6 minutes to complete this look. I was so happy for the first time I got to finish and get out of the house quicker than I normally do. And so first off, I'm starting by priming my eyelids with the Avon Flawless Ideal Concealer, and this one is in the shade Fair. So this is what I'm going to use to prep my eyelids so it can help my eyeshadows to pop a bit more. And I'm going in with actually a new product, and this one is called Beauty Treats. Actually that's the name of the line, and I'm going into the orangey shade, and that's gonna be like my transitioning shade, and that's what I'm applying first all over my eyelid. And then next I'm going in with that light bright purple, and I'm just applying that as well as my second transitioning shade, and I'm just making sure that I pack it really well on my crease area. And then next I'm going in the black gel liner, and this one is from LA Girl, and I'm just using it to sort of like be my base for this black, because I find it like when I apply gel liner first, it actually helps my black shadows to look a bit more darker than it normally does. And then after that, going in the same palette, I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna help set that gel liner a bit more, and also kind of like it helps blend out a bit better compared to the gel. So basically a combination of both the black gel as well as the eyeshadow in a powder form, it actually helps everything come together. And so I'm applying the same product on my lower lash line just to kind of like black out my lower lashes a bit more. And then I'm basically just gonna skip ahead and put on my lashes. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Healthy Glow Bronzy Powder, and I'm going in the shade called Sunkissed, and this is what I'm gonna use to kind of like highlight my tear dot areas a little bit, just to kind of like brighten out that inner corner. And then for my face, I'm starting off by priming my face with the LA Girl primer spray. And then for foundation, of course, today I'll be trying a new product as well, and this one is from Clarins Paris, and this one is called the Everlasting Foundation. And I'm basically just using my Morphe foundation brush to apply it all over my face before going ahead and blending it out with a damp beauty blender. And then for highlighting, today I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and this one is in a shade called Fawn, and this is what I'm going to be using to highlight underneath my eyes, as well as the bridge of my nose and my forehead, and lastly my cupid's bow. And then for contouring today, I'll be going in with the Studio Fix powder. This one is from MAC, and this one is in a shade NW58. And basically when I started contouring, I actually realized it's way bit darker than what I'm used to. Nevertheless, it worked out a-okay. Once I'm done contouring, I'll be going in with a setting powder, and this one is from MSLondon Cosmetics, and it's in a shade called Cocoa 1, and it just helps kind of like bring back some color back into my face. At the same time, I'll be using it to tone down that dark contouring shade as well as blending it out at the same time. And then for blush, I'll be going in the Sunkissed Bronze Architect palette, and I'm going in with that blush shade that's on there, which is like that bright pink, and I'm just using it very lightly on my apples of my cheeks. And then I'm just going in with the same eyeshadow shades as we used previously on my eyelids, and I'm basically just gonna smoke out that lower lash line a little bit more and add some color into it. And of course, for highlighting, I'm going in with the same e.l.f. Healthy Glow bronzing powder, and this one is in the shade Sunkissed, and I'm just using it to highlight the tip of my nose and a little bit of a touch of it on the apples of my cheeks, or rather just above that blush. And then for the lips today, I'm going in with the Milani lip liner, and after that, of course, I'm going to be going in with 2 shades of lipsticks, and this one is from MAC, and one is called Rebel and the other one is called Russian Red, and that's what I'm going to be applying in the center of my lips. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and basically set your face with a makeup setting spray, but I'm not going to be doing that today because I'm not doing much. I'm not going out, and that will be